वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
प्रत्ययाः शिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि
आदेशा आगमस्तथा
आदेशागमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
धातुपाठो गणपाठः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
भूवादयो धातवः
भूवादयो धातवः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सुनाद्यन्ता धातवः
धात्वादेहे शहसः
धातुवादेः सहसः
नो नः
रोनः
इदितोऽनं धातोः
हितोऽनुं धातोः
ऋतयिद्धातोः
हृतयिद्धातोः
उपधायाश्च
पधायश्च
सर्वोर्पधाया दीर्घ इकः
विभोरुपधाया दीर्घ इकः
हलि च
हलि च
उपधायां च।
पधायं च।
Up to this, you remember all the sutras?
You saying the meaning or the
Yeah, meaning,
list?
application, where applies. Because up to this, it's all about preparing the dhatu. Dhatu is there. If it is idit dhatu, then num, right? So all those things are done. Then natvam, dhatva dehe, shaha saha. no naha, right?
Yes.
So all these are preparing the dhatu. Then after that, the pratyaya. What
Yes.
pratyaya we are seeing? Tinganta. So ting pratyaya. Lat lakara. I mean, lat lakara is an example. The different lakaras. Different lakaras, what meaning they are used? That is what we have been seeing. What meaning, what lakaras are used? Ling lakara, lat lakara, lot lakara, ling lakara, lung lakara, so many lakaras. Lut lakara, right? So that comes in it. But before that, the pratyaya. So all these, I hope you remember. If you remember, it's very good. Hmm. The next one, pratyaya. Pratyaya, under pratyaya will come all sarvadhatuka pratyaya, adhatuka, etc. All lakara also. Lakara the pratyaya also will come there, right?
Yes.
Then we saw adyatane, bhute. Anadyatane, bhute. Anadyatane, lang lakara, right?
Yes.
Anadyatane, lang, that's a sutra. Anadyatane, bhavishyati. Anadyatane, bhavishyati,
Lut.
lut lakara. अस्पष्ट अनद्यतने भविष्यति लृट् लकार अस्पष्ट अनद्यतने भूते लुंग लकार
Yes.
so all these things लंग लकार is स्पष्ट अनद्यतने similarly लुट् लकार is स्पष्ट अनद्यतने अस्पष्ट लृट् लकार अद्यतने भविष्यति लृट् so all those things like that you need to remember just then pratyayah
Pratyayah.
parascha
Parascha.
adyudatascha
Adyudatascha.
धातो रेखाचो हलादे क्रिया समभिघारे यंग
Dhatorekācho hladih kriyasamabhihareyam.
धातोः
Dhatoho.
लस्य.
Asya.
So from here onwards, pratyaya. So many pratyas are that will going to come. But pratyaya, what is Viswara, where it will come, all those things. It will comes after the dhatu. After the dhatu, lasya will come in the place of lasya. Tit tasji sip thasta mip vasmasta atam jatha satam dvam it vagi maging.
Tiptasjhi siptastha. Vipvasmas ta atang jatha asthandvam irdvahi mahing.
You see, there are sequence. First we define preparing the dhatu, then pratyaya, then dhatu will take pratyaya, then pratyaya, what pratyaya? Lakara is important. Then lakara, in the place of lakara, all these pratyas will come. Then after that, division of tingshit, etc. Right? There's an order, sequence you can see. Tingshit sarvadhatukam,
Kshit sarvadhatkam.
ardhadhatukam sheshaha.
Ardhadatkam sheshaha.
So all thing pratyas are sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Other than thing pratyas and other than thing and shit pratyas are ardhadhatuka. Shit also sarvadhatuka. Now the next sutra says Litcha.
Lit cha.
For lit also we have Tiptasi, etc. But they will be Adadatukam. Lingha Shishi.
Ashihu.
Ashirling also. The Tiptasi for the Pratya, what comes, they are Adadatuka. Right? So these are exception to the definition. Tingshis Adadatukam. Then Laha Parasmai Padam.
Laha parasmai padam.
What does it mean? This is Sanya Sutra, all the Pratyaya, Tiptasji, etc., which comes in the place of Lakara or Parasmai Pada. Then there is an Apavada. Tangana Vatmane Padam.
Vatmane padam.
Tang Pratyasara Atmane Padam. Therefore, excluding Tang Pratyaya, whatever Pratyas are there, they are Parasmai Pada. Then Vachana and Purushas are Sanya, they are introduced. Tingaha Trini, Pratama, Madhyamottamaha.
Nahastrini trini prathama madhyamottamaha.
तान् एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान् एकशः
तानि एकवचना द्विवचना बहुवचनानि एकशः
Bagushu Bhagavachanam.
बहुषु बहुवचनम्
Bagushu Bhagavachanam means Bhagatva Vivakshite Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachana Pratyaha Bhavanti Dhatoho. Similarly, Dvekayo Dvivachaneka Vachane.
द्विकयोर्द्विवचनैकवचने
Dvita Vivakshite or Ekatve Vivakshite. Dvivachana Ekavachana Pratyaha Bhavanti Dhatoho. Right? Then the tin pratyas get a sanya. Vibhaktischa.
भक्तिश्च
You know why the sanya is important? Because the sanya is therefore na vibhakto to smaha. Why that? Tavarga to sakara makara of the thing pratyaya will not get its sanya, therefore will not become lopaha. Otherwise, what will happen? Tip, tas is a sakara, all will become lopaha. Alantyam it. That is why this is important sanya. Sanyas, vibhakti sanya assigned to supratyas as well as thing pratyas. Not only here, even in Tadita section also there is a vibhakti section. That is not required for us, but now, but later you will see vibhakti is sanya. Then Yushma Dipapade Samanadikarane Staninyapi Madhyamaha.
युष्मादुत्पदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यापि मध्यमः
Asmadvyuttamaha.
अस्मद्युत्तमः
Sheshe Pratamaha.
शेषे प्रथमः
This is what we say. Neither you nor I. That is Pratama. If it is I, Uttama. If it is you, Madhyama. Right?
yes.
Anudata Gita Atmai Padam.
अनुदात इत आत्मनेपदम्
We know this very well. Which dhatu will take Atmanepada Pratyaya? We classify dhatu as Atmanepadi, Parasmaipadi. This is important. Anudata, Swara, and Git Dhatavaha, Atmanepadinaha Bhavanti. Bhava Karmanoho.
कर्मणोः
Bhave Prayoge Karmani Prayoge Dhatoho Atmane Padapratyaha Bhavanti. Right? Purvavat Sanaha.
पूर्ववत्सनः
Am Pratyavat Krinyanu Prayogasya.
प्रत्ययवत् कृञोऽनुप्रयोगस्य
स्वरितज्ञितकर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले
स्वरितगीतः कर्तृभिप्रये क्रियाफले
निचश्च
नित्यश्च
निचश्च means nijanta rupam of the dhatu. कर्तृभिप्राये क्रियाफले स्वरितः ङितः आत्मनेपद. Otherwise, शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मै padam.
शेषात् कर्तरि परस्मैपदम्
From 160 to 166, the Atmanepada then Parasmaipada are defined. Dhatu, which dhatu will take, dhatus which will take Atmanepada Pratyaya, which will take Parasmaipada Pratyaya. Right? Next, important sutra. Laha karmani cha bhave cha karma kebhyah.
कर्मणि च भवे च कर्म केभ्यः
Sakarma kadatu can be in kartari and karmani. Akarma kadatu will be only in kartari and bhave. That's a sutra. This is safe. Right? Vartaman helat.
वर्तमाने लट्
Anadyatane lang.
नाद्यतने लम्
Anadyatane lang means spashta anadyatane. Past tense is very clear. Anadyatane, not today's past. Therefore, lang lakara. Spashta anadyatane lang lakaraha bhavati. And therefore, if it is adyatana, lung lakara. If it is not spashta anadyatana, then also lung lakara. So, lang lakara will be there. Spashta anadyatane. If it is not today's past, it's very spashtam, clear, then lang lakara. If it is not spashta, then lung lakara. If it is not adyatana, sorry, if it is adyatana, then lung lakara. All these are lakara definition. From here only, we have been seeing important. Chandasi lit,
छन्दसि लुट्
Parokshe lit,
Parokshe lit.
latasme.
Hatasme.
This is simple. Patati sma is equal to past tense. Sma,
Yes.
sma upapada. Aparokshe cha.
Parokshe cha.
Latsme as anuvritti of paroksha. Parokshe, latsme, aparokshe cha. Therefore, this is a sutra by which we use Ramaha patati sma is equal to Ramaha apatat. Right? Lit
Yes.
sheshe cha.
Lit she cha.
Here sheshe has got significance. You have to see that. We have discussed this. Bhavishyati kriyayam kriyartayam adartan whatever it is a sheshe. Like that. Okay. Anadyatane lut.
Nadyatane lut.
Spashta anadyatane lut. Lut is future tense. Bhavishyati spashta anadyatane lut. If it is not spashta, aspashta, or if it is adyatana, then rit lakara. Patishyati, gamishyati, that. Then
Yes.
lung, lung,
Long.
lung is general lung. Lung. Anadyatane lung, adyatane lung, anadyatane lung, sorry, anadyatane lung, adyatane lung, aspashta anadyatane api lung. Then mangi lung.
Mangi lung.
When mang is a lung lakara will be used. Sarva lakara nam apavadaha. Namang yoge.
Amang yogi.
By the sutra, atta kamara atta maha are denied. It will not happen for even though lung lakara, ngit lakara, but atta or atta kama will not come for the dhatu. Smottare langcha.
Smotare lang cha.
Lung lakara also can be used if sma is there. Sma uttare lung also. Chakarat ling abhi. Then ling limitel ring kriyati pattau.
Ling nimite larang kriyati patao.
Kriyatipatti, non-accomplishment of the action. Ling nimitte, when ling lakara can be used, when the action is it's not accomplished, then ling also can be used. Okay, 33139. Then hetu mathor ling.
Hetu hetu mator ling.
From this you need to remember because later we are going to see the summary also. It's going to come, we will see again. So here ling lakara, here also ling. Bhutecha.
Hote cha.
Bhutecha is different, not connected with this. What is Bhutecha 33140? Bhutecha, the number is not, it's not in sequence. So, 33140. That is Bhute, past tense, Bhute, Ling Nimitta Ling Kriyatipatto, right? That said before, 33139, Ling Nimitta Ling Kriyatipatto, even for, that is Bhavishyati. Even Bhute also, so future tense as well as past tense, we can use this conditional mood. Ling lakara. Ling lakara can be used for Bhute as well as Bhavishyati. When Ling lakara can come in the place of Ling lakara will come when there is non-accomplishment of action. That is understood. Non-accomplishment of action is understood. Then Ling lakara will come in the place of Ling, and it's both in past tense as well as future. Past tense is given by the Sutra 33140. Future is given 33139. Okay. Ichateshu ling lotau.
Ichartheshu ling lotao.
This is in Saptami Vibhakti. Therefore, Icharteshu upapadeshu. When it is there, ling lakara, lot lakara can be used. That also examples we have seen. Again, we will see. Samana kartrikeshu tumun.
Samana kartrakeshu tumun.
Icharteshu, that is coming as anuvritti. Samana kartrikeshu tum pratyaya. Tum, patitum, that is gantum. When the Ichara dhatu is there, then there is Samana kartrika. When the karta is the same, then dhatu ho tuman pratyaha bhavati. Right? Icharteshu, upapadeshu, then tuman pratyaya. Samana kartrikeshu, tuman also can come. So tuman or ling load. Then the next one, ling cha, ling lakara
Ling
also.
cha.
You can see this is ling lakara in how many places it is used. इच्छार्थेषु समानकर्तृकेषु धातुषु उपपदेषु धातोः लिङ् प्रत्ययः भवति. So starting from here onwards, all are ling lakara. Then इच्छार्थेभ्यः विभाषा वर्तमाने.
चार्थेभ्यः विभाषा वर्तमाने.
That is also ling lakara. Ling lakara can be used in vartamana kale, denoting the present tense. It went with the ichartha dhatu. That is important. Ichartha dhatushu. Okay. Okay. I'll send a message from now. Then this is important sutra which we saw. Vidhi nimantrana amantrana adishta samprashna prarthaneshu ling.
विधि निमंत्रण आमंत्रण अधीष्ट संप्रश्न अर्थनेषु लिंग.
So vidhi is command,
Commands.
right? Vidhi is command. You can see our notes. I've given all the meanings very elaborately. You can see here. Vidhi. Vidhi is English meaning also given, Sanskrit meaning also. Vidhi, mandate, direct, inspire, agnya pradhanam, preranam. The nimantranam is niyatarupena ahvanam, an invitation which is obligatory. You cannot deny that invitation. Then amantranam is invitation which allows one to accept or reject. Kamanucharena akhvanam. Then adishtaha, a respectful request, generally done towards the guru, etc. Then samprashnaha, a respectful assertion. Samprashnaha, to determine the course of action. Shall I study Vyakaranam? Kim? Saka Vyakaranam patet. What does he study Vyakaranam? If not, I mean, it's a initiative. If not, study. Kinnu bo, kinnu kalu boho, nyayamadiya. Kinnu bo, nyayamadiya. Shall I study Nyaya Shastra? Iti respectful assertion that determines the action. Then prarthana. Prarthana is prayer, request of prayer. Yeteshu arteshu ling lakaraha prayujyate. In all this meaning, ling lakaras are used. I'll give a summary again, though we have seen the sutra in detail. We'll give. Then Lord Sha.
Lord Cha.
Lord also in all the meanings, Lord also is used. Then Praisha atisarga prapta kaleshu krityascha.
Praishati sarga prapta kaleshu krityascha.
So krityaha, kritya pratyas, as well as lot lakara also used. God, in what sense? Praisha atisarga prapta kala. Praisha is order, command. Atisarga is permission to do as one likes, anugnya. Prapta kala is when appropriate time has or opportunity has come to do the action. In this meaning also, dhatoho kritsanya will come. Chakarat, lot also. The lot lakara also can come, right? Last class we saw bhavata, kataha, karaniyaha. All these are kritya examples. The lot lakara would be bhavan katam karotu. That's a lot example. Krityas, they are in passive voice. Always they will be in passive. They will denote karma. Okay. They will denote the object. What is the object? Kataha, it's the object. Who is a karta? Bhavata, by you. By you, mat karanyaha should be made. That's the meaning. Presha, either it could be order, or it should be an anugnya, or it should be a atisarga. It's proper time to make the mat. Okay. So karaniyaha, krityaha, kartavyaha, karyaha, all are kritya pratyanta shabdas. You can see kataha is object. Object is in pratama vibhakti. Therefore, passive voice. Understand? Yes, sir. Is it understand, right?
Yes.
Then next one. From here, I think, not this also we saw. Arge kritya trichascha. Please chant. Arge kritya trichascha.
Arghe kritya trichascha.
Kritya pratyaya, trich pratyaya, arharte. Arharte means ought to be or capable of, befitting, which is implicitly or explicitly stated, which is used. Arha means yogya. When a karta who is capable or befitting, which is explicitly or implicitly stated, then kritya pratyas or trish pratyaya can come. This is not connected to now trichasya, connected to ling lakara. Why? Because kritya pratyaya trish chakara. That's important. Chakara, ling lakara also can come. That is why it is the sutra is here. Yes. See the number 169. 169 means 169. So ling lakara, ling also coming as anuvritti. Okay. It is coming as anuvritti in the sutra pata. If you see, it will be there. So 169 the sutra. So ling lakara also. Chakarat, ling also is understood. So that is why this sutram is there. Argarte in the sense of the karta is qualified, befitting to do a kriya. Then kritya pratyaya, trich pratyaya, then chakarat, ling also can come. Ling coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra 168. The previous sutra 168 coming as anuvritti. 168 I have not we have not covered, not required. That's why not done. The ling laka ling, the word coming as anuvritti. The sutra pata it is there. Okay. Then the next sutra. This also we saw in the last class, right?
Yes.
Then the next sutra. Krityascha.
Krityascha.
Here also Krityaha Kritya Pratyas 173 177. Sorry, 171. Kshamitam. 171. Krityascha means Kritya Pratyaya Chakarat. Kritya Pratyas, then Chakara. By Chakara, what comes? Let us see the sutra. What we saw in the last class. Krityaha is Kritya Pratyas. Can come. Oh, okay. Chakarat here. Avashyaka Adamaranya Vishishte. Adamaranya means Avashyaka means necessity. Should be done. And in what meaning? In the sense of Adhamarnya. Adhamarnya is debtor. The one who has, in the sense of debtor, the transaction of borrowing. Right? In the sense of debtor means you borrow money. You owe, then you owe money. Debt. Debt means I think that what is the meaning of debt? When you borrow money from someone, so therefore it's a debt. Debtor means the one who owes money,
Yes.
who borrows money, right? So
Yeah.
the sense of one who borrows. So then dhatu will take kritya pratyas. Like the example, bhavata kalu avashyam kataha kartavyaha. This is avashyakarte. This is one meaning. Kritya pratyaya can come. Another meaning is you ought to pay 100. Bhavata shatam dhatavyam deyam. These are all kritya pratyayanta shabda. This is tavya pratyaya. This is yat pratyaya. That we will see. We have not seen kritya pratyayas. We will see. In fact, the sutra is out of context, not required in the context of lakaras. But anyway, because some krit pratyas have come, that's why this also is added. You know it later will be useful. Not now. Krityaha. Out of context is now. Fine. Why?
In the
Because
sentence.
here also kritya, and here also kritya, here also kritya. Then why should I miss this kritya? That's why I added that also. The summary I'll give you. Yeah. What's the
Okay.
question?
In that sense of the example where there is avashya, the word,
Yes. Yes. Avashya.
is it necessary to be there in the sentence? To
In the
mean to
sense of, yeah, in
no,
the sense,
not there in the example. There.
in the example, where is that?
Yes. Avashyam. Bhavata kalu avashyam kartaha kartavyah. This avashyam to mean to the
Not
sentence
required.
mean
This is not
ought
required, but this
to.
just, if it is there, it is understood. If it is not there, then it could, then there's a meaning we have to take it.
Okay.
Here, avashyam is not required. If it is there also, it is okay, no problem, right?
Okay.
If without the word avishyam also, if we say kartavya, then we have to apply the sutra, find out by what, in what sense kritya pratyaya is applied here. Is it kritya pratyaya is applied in arharte or shakyarte or yogyarte or praisha atisarga prapta kale avashyakarte? All the meanings are there. But the word avishyam is there. Therefore, you can narrow down to this sutra.
Yes.
Understand? That is why avashyam is there. The word avashyam is there. The avashyam itself tell it is in avashyakarte. Kritya pratyas are used. Simple. If it is not there, then it could be in, you see, in what meanings? It could be in Preshati Sarga Prapta Kale. Three meanings. Arga is fourth meaning. Four meanings possible. And of course, Kritya here is avashyakarte adamanyarte. So which meaning you will take? The word avashyam tells you avashyakarte. Right? That is why avashya, the word is there. Then adamarnya means that when you borrow money from someone, then you are a debtor, therefore you ought to pay. In that sense, also kritya pratyas can be added to the dhatu. Next one is from there we have to see. That's what we stop there. Shaki lingcha.
Shakilincha.
So now ling. See how many links, meanings of ling you see. So many meanings links we have seen. The of ling lakara, the meaning in which ling lakaras are used, and here also shak means capability, possibility. Shakyarte. Chakarat kritya pratyas also can come. That's idea. Okay. So kritya pratyaya if you take praisha atisarga prapta kaleshu argharteshu, then here avashyakarte adamarnyarteshu shakyarteshu, right? All in all senses kritya pratyaya can be used. Just example if you see, for example, like directly we'll say example and then we'll come. Bhavata kalu baraha vodavyaha, meaning what? By you, the bara is weight. Vodavyaha means possible to carry. You are capable of carrying the load. Indeed. Kritya pratyaya tavya is used. You remember tavya pratyaya we have seen in the case of Sandhi example. Tavya, trich, etc. Right?
Yes.
Patitavya, gantavya. Remember? In Sandhi, in the case of Sandhi we have seen. In fact, I have all the examples, Tavya examples are given. Tavya, trich, tva, so many pratyas. So Tavya is Kritya Pratyas. Patitavya means should be studied. Vodavya means Vagdatu, should be carried. Varaha means load. Load should be carried by you. It means here, in what sense Tavya is used? You are capable of carrying the load. In that meaning, Shakyarte Tavya. Then we have another Kritya Pratya, Aniya, Vahaniyaha. Then another Pratya, Nyat Pratya, Vakhyaha. In the sense of capability. Shaknoti. You say no? The word
Yes.
capability qualifies the root, meaning that the root must have the sense of capability. When a sense of capability is expressed, a dhatu can take what pratyaya? Kritya pratyas or ling lakara, ling pratyas. Understand?
Yes.
Shakyartha vishishte dhatvarteshu dhatoho ling pratyaya bhavati. By chakara in the sutra, Kritya also can come. Understand? So
Yes.
Kritya example is given here. Bhavata kalu bharaha vodavyaha. Then Lingla example is Bhavan kalu bharam bhage. It means you you carry the load. It means you are eligible to carry the load. You are fit to carry the load. Bhavan iha shaktaha. You are capable. You are a muscle body. You got a muscle body. Therefore, you can carry the load. Bhaget. That meaning is understood. Yeah, ling lakara is used in shakyartha. You can carry. That can. That is the meaning of shak. Understand? Similarly, Bhavan Shatrum Jayet means may you conquer the enemy. You are capable of conquer the enemy. You can conquer the enemy. That is the meaning. Then Tabya Pratyaya. Tritya is Bhavan Shatruhu. Bhavata Shatruhu. By you, Shatru can be conquered. That means that is the translation. Is it clear?
Yes.
So Shakyarte ling pratyaya va kritya pratyaya dhatoh paraha bhavati. Understand?
Yes.
Then next sutra. So this sutra is new sutra. Today we have saw now. Then next sutra. Ashishi ling lotau.
Ashishi ling lo tao.
Ashishi means Ashirling. Ashirvada. Benediction. Ashishi means Ashirling. Benediction. So in this sense of benediction, ling lakara or lot lakara can be used. We have got Ashirling, right? Ashirling lakara is there. It's called Ashirling. But Ashirling is already we have seen. Linga Shishi is Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam. All these things you should be able to connect. Linga Shishi what? Sarvadhatukam or Adhadhatukam?
Aradhadhatka.
Adhadhatuka Pratyaya. So ling that is it's a type of ling lakara, but it is used in sense of benediction. Therefore, it is called Ashirling. Ashirling is Adhadhatuka, whereas ling lakara is Sarvadhatukam. Understand? Right?
Uh, uh, ling is
Ling is
Sarvadhatka.
Withiling. Ling means withiling.
Okay.
What
Yes.
if I don't say withiling? It is very only ling. Remember, it is withiling.
Okay.
If I say
So,
specifically Ashirling, then it is Ashirling Adhadhatuka.
okay.
If Ashir, the word is not used, when I say ling, it is withiling alone. Please note. Okay.
Yes.
If
Vidiling
Ashir,
Sarvadhatkam.
withiling is Sarvadhatukam, Ashirling is
Adhadhatka.
Arudhatuka.
Okay.
You know what happens? Why? What will happen because of this? When Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is used after the Dhatu, Gana Vikarana will come, right?
Yes.
When Adhadhatuka Pratyaya is used, will Gana Vikarana come? No. Like in the sense of Nishtha Pratyaya, all those Pratyayas we have seen, right? No Gana Vikarana. So in the case of Ashirling, it is very simple. No Gana Vikarana will come. It's an important difference. Other differences are there. We will see that later. You understand?
Yes.
See, Sarvadhatukam means, in fact, we are going to see that sutra. We have seen before. Now with the sutra, we are going to see. When the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a dhatu, Gana Vikarana will come. See, for example, I'll just type and delete. Bu dhatu if you take, right? From Bu dhatu, how we get Bhavati? Bu plus tip. Bu dhatu which Gana?
First
First
gun.
conjugation.
Yes.
So tip is what Pratyaya?
Sarvadhatka.
So when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, what will happen? What is the next step?
The Angakari will happen.
Now Gana Vikarana will come, not Angakari. Angakari later.
Okay.
Bu
Gana
dhatu
Vikarana.
first belongs to first conjugation. Don't forget, this is the important step.
Yes. Sure.
Now Bu becomes the Anga for Shab. Bu plus Anga is the Bu plus Shab is the Anga for Tip. Then only Angakarya we can do. Shab can do Angakarya to Bu. Therefore, Bu will become
Bo.
content of Shab is
Ha.
Bo plus what sandhi?
Bha, bhav.
Bhava, right?
Yes.
Bhava is the anga for no tip. Can tip do any anga karya possible or not?
No,
No.
because
So what
there is no
Bhavati,
ik.
Bhavati you get, right?
Yes.
Now, instead of this, if you take now Ling Lakara, for example, Ling Lakara, right? Ling Lakara, what is a pratyaya? Eat is a pratyaya. Eat, eatam, iyuhu. What pratyaya? Eat is sarvadatukam, radhadatukam. In the case of Ling, Vidiling,
Vidlin, this is Sarvadatka.
yes. So when a sarvadatuka pratyaya follows, shab comes, right?
Yes.
Bu plus shab, it becomes bo plus a. All these are common step, right? Bo plus a is bhava, bhava plus eat. Then a plus e, what will happen?
Ved.
Therefore, bhavet. Understand? Bhavet,
Yes.
bhavetam. This is the ling lakara, vidiling. Understand? Vidiling. Now, Ashiling, what will happen? Bhu plus Ashiling pratyaya is yat. You don't know, it's okay. You can just note. Yat is a pratyaya. What pratyaya is this? Sarvadhatukam, Radhadhatukam, Ashiling.
Ardhadatka. Ardhadatka.
Adhadhatuka. Therefore, no Angakarya will happen. Sorry. No Ganavikarna will come. Angakarya will happen if the pratyaya is this. No Ganavikarna will come. Understand?
Yes.
And this pratyaya is a Ngit pratyaya. Therefore, no Angakarya also will happen. Therefore, simple. Bhu plus ya, it's bhuyat. This is ya Ngit padadatuka Ngit pratyaya. Therefore, Angakarya is negated, will not happen. We will see that later, in detail later, right? Then
Yes.
bhuyat. Bhu plus yastam, dvivachanam becomes
Booyah.
bhuyastam. Then bhu plus yasuhu. What will happen?
Booyah. So,
Simple. Ashiling is very simple. You
yes.
see this one. I don't have the pratyaya, but you can take kridhatu. Yeah. Here you have the pratyaya. Yat, yatam. You in here, right? Yat, yatam.
Yes.
Not yastam. Sorry, by mistake I typed yastam there. Yat, yatam, yuhu. Yaha, yatam, yata. Yam, yava,
Yeah.
yama. So therefore, bhu plus yat will become
Booyat.
bhuyat. Then
Booyatam.
bhuyatam,
Booyuhu.
bhuyuhu.
Booyuhu.
Then
Booyah. Booyatam. Booyata.
bhuyatam. Bhuyatam, not bhuyatam. Bhuyatam.
Booyata.
Then
Booyam.
hmm,
Booyavam. Booyama.
that is adhatuka. Understand?
Yes.
So when adhatuka pratyaya follow, there is no gana vikarna, and parasmai padi ashyaling pratyas are considered to be nyit. Therefore, no angakarya will happen. Simple. Therefore, this lakara is much simple. Understand?
Yes.
Not yastam. This is yatam. Shamitam, yat yatam. Right? Fine.
Yes.
Now let us see the lakara.
And in this tam
Hmm.
is short
Hmm?
instead of long. Yatam instead of yatam.
This is 1-2.
Okay.
Yatam is Madhyama Purusha Dvivacham Yatam.
Okay.
Now, the sutra says Ashishi Ling Loto. In the sense of benediction, Ling Lakara or Lot Lakara can be used. Ling Lakara is Adadatuka. Lot is not Adadatuka. Okay. Lot
Yeah.
is Sarvadatuka. So there Ganavikarna will come. Understand?
Yes.
So what is Ashi? In this Ashi means wish or blessing. When you bless your kids or when a guru blesses you, so he will bless Ashiling. He uses this lakara. Shubham Bhuyat, right? May you have auspiciousness. Badram Bhuyat. So Ashir Vishishte Arte in this specific meaning of blessing, wishing, Dhatoho Ling or Lot Pratyayo Bhavataha. A Dhatu may take Ling or Lot Lakara. Lot pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
When do you do bless? Apraptasya ichcham darshayitum. When you don't have a thing, right? And there is a ichcha for not the gain, right? Not gain. Darshayitum, to show that. Ling lakara, lot lakara is used. So ashi means apraptasya ichcha. Prapta means that which is obtained. Aprapta means that which is not obtained, that which is not achieved. And there is desire for that, right?
Yes.
So darshayitum, to show that ling lakara, lot lakara is used. Yad kimapi ishtam asti parantu na praptam. You desire something but not yet attained. Therefore, tasya praptehe, in gaining that, ichcham darshayitum, to show that desire of for it. Ling lakara, lot lakara is used. Example you see. Ishvaraha me vipula mayusham dadyat. Means what? Dadyat what lakara? Simple. Ashir ling. Even though I have written here, but you have to note it is Ashir ling. Okay, please note. It is not linger. Ashir ling. Ishvara may give. Vipulam Ayushya means longevity.
Long life.
Dadyat means may give. It's a blessing. It's a wish. Apraptasi ichcha. Darshayitam, to show that. Right? Vipulam. Vipulam means Ayushya means long life. Vipulam Ayushya means a large, huge, long life. And lot lakara would be Ishvara me vipulav ayusham dadatu. Dadatu. Sarvadhatu kalakara. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, next example. Bhavan chiram jivya. You have not lived long, but I desire you to live long. To show that jivya ling lakara is used. May you live long. It's my desire, wish. Understand? Lot lakara is Bhavan chiram jivatu. May you live long. Similarly, Mama Shatruhu Mrishishta. May my Shatru die. Okay. He is not yet dead, but Apraptasya Praptum Icha. I express by the Ling Lakara. Mama Shatruhu Mriyatam. Understand?
Yes.
So, Yaha Ling Lakaraha Ashishiyate Prayujyate Tasya Nirdeshaha Ashin Ling Lakara iti namna vyavahariyate nyayate kriyate. That lakara is called Ashishling, which lakara, that lakara is used in Ashishi Artha, in the sense of wishing or blessing. Vidiling lakarasya apekshaya asya rupani bhinnani bhavanti. Compared to Vidiling, the forms of Ashiling are different. Understand? Yataha linga Ashishi, by this sutra, it becomes an adadatuka pratyaya, adadatuka lakara. Lot lakara vishi vedaha nasti. In case of lot lakara, whether normal lot lakara or ashir lot lakara, there is no difference. Whereas in the case of ling lakara, there is difference. That is why we have vidiling and ashir ling. Understand?
Yes.
Whereas ashir lot has the same form as other lot. Vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, samprashna, those lot lakara, same form only. Only case of ling lakara, we have a different form, and the pratyas are adadatika pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Ashishi arte lot lakarasya tu tata. Lot lakarasya pratyaya tata hi. This is not required. Now we'll talk about this later. We have one optional form for Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam, Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. Tatang pratyaya will come. That we'll see later. Patatu patatat. Lika likatat. Then Ashamsanam Ashihi. Apraptasya ishtasya artasya praptum icha. A wish to obtain a desired object which one doesn't possess is called ashihi. Okay. So ashishi is a qualifier of the dhatu artha. So in the dhatu artha, this wish is embedded. Ling in this context will be deemed by adadhatuka by the sutra lingashishi. In lot lakara, we have this optional form. Okay, this is the English translation of what is said before, Sanskritam. Okay. See the example, that is enough. Chiram Jivyat Bhavan, what lakara? Ashirling. May you live long. Iti, I bless you. Lot lakara will be Chiram Jivatu. Or another form is there for lot lakara, Jivatat. That is what is said in the sutra. Tu he, tu patatu, tu Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. He is Madhya Purusha Ekavachanam. In the place of that, we can have the pratyaya tatang ashish ishi anitrasyam. Lot lakara ashishi. Tu and tu is Madhya Purusha Ekavachanam. He is tu is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. He is Madhya Purusha Ekavachanam. In the place of which tat also can come. So chiram jivatu or jivatat bhavan. Understand?
Yes.
In fact, in my slide, this will be the tat, I think, but we have never used that. If you see, yeah, you can see. This tat is another form for Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam, like Bhavatu, Bhavatam Bhavantu. Yeah, Bhavatat also is another form, here also. This is a Lot Ashishi form. Lot Lakara, in the sense of Ashishi, the tu is replaced by tat. Here also, he, Pratyaya is that is replaced with tat. Tas. Understand?
But in Yashishi meaning, it's not optional. Is it optional to use Bhavatat instead of Bhavatu?
Yes,
Oh,
Ashishi you can use Bhavatu or Bhavatat we can use.
okay,
Option. Anyatarasyam is there.
okay.
Only in case of Ashishi Anyatarasyam, not in other case. In other case you have to use only tu, patatu. Suppose you are commanding. You cannot say
Yes,
Bhavan patatat, Bhavan patatu. It is a command.
yes.
But if it is a case of blessing, Bhavan jivyat or jivatat, that is okay. Right? I think we can stop here. This also last one. Lingartha late. There is nothing that. So late lakara is a lakara which is used in the Veda. Okay, we are not going to see that. Late lakara also is used in ling artha. Chandasi anyas atarasya. In chandas in the Veda, this is used. Ling arte yatra ling vidiyate. Where ling lakara is ordained, right? There chandasi optionally late pratyaya can be used. Late is another lakara which is seen in the Veda. That is what
Yes,
lingarte late. Okay,
yes.
I think we have covered all the introductions. Now we can see we are going to see the next is next only here it starts. Real work, Kartari, Shap, and all those things will come. We are going to do the Angakarya, etc. It's going to come. Up to this is only introduction. So in what sense ling lakara, lot lakara, all the pratyas are used, lakara pratyas, they are given. And that summary is nicely, you can see, given here. Summary of ling, lot, and kritya. So all the ling lakaras are put together here. In this meaning, ling lakaras are used. Ling lakara means generally we think only a pratana and agnya. No. Yetu mator ling, ichateshu ling, then ling cha, ichatebhi vartamane, vibhasha vartamane, then vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, adishta, samprashna, prataneshu ling, then shaki ling cha, ashishi ling also, right? What is this ling cha 33159? It is just we saw. It is Linkcha alone, it is not clear. We have to bring the Anuvritti to see the meaning. Linkcha, the Sutra 33159 says that Ichateshu Samana Kartrikeshu coming as Anuvritti. Anyway, I have given below. Samana Kartrikeshu, Ichateshu, Ling Pratyahapi, Dhatoho Bhavati. The Ling Lakara is used in the following senses by the above Sutra. What are those senses given? We will do the summary again the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Understand, right?
Yes, could you send these two files to me afterwards?
Yeah, I'll send you. And this I will put it in our format and then we will see again. Our format is this. I have not done yet. I'm doing it. I'm working on this.
Yes.
I'll send it. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. धन्यवादः